Hey people, welcome to SB Cooks. Today let's prepare tasty and healthy recipe that is steamed toor dal dumplings. Firstly, let's take toor dal and soak it for an hour and strain it well. Now take mixie jar, add half of the toor dal in it and other half let's transfer it into a bowl. Now take mixie jar and grind half toor dal roughly. Now take one bowl, transfer this paste into a bowl. Now add some chilies, jeera, hing, other half tur dal. Grind it into a rough paste. Transfer this paste into a same bowl. Add some ginger, chopped coriander leaves, chopped curry leaves, grated coconut, salt as per taste, and give it a good mix. Add some water, mix well up to this consistency. Now let's prepare dumplings. You can prepare dumplings as oval shape, or if you don't want this large dumplings, you can prepare in a small shape, or some people love in flat and circle shape, so you can prepare that as well. And you can also prepare in round shape. Dumplings are ready. Now let's take idli plate and grease it with oil. Now let's place all dumplings in it. Repeat the process. You can place two dumplings at once. Take idli vessel, add some water for steam, place all idli plates in it. Grease oil throughout the plate and place dumplings in it as well. Close lid and let it steam. Once steaming is done, transfer all dumplings into plate. Let's garnish with coriander. That's it. Tasty dumplings are ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.